Yes, I know you are looking for the best professional lighting setup to record amazing videos. So here you go. This is the light I'm going to recommend you, and right now I have ordered this. You get these two boxes of lightings, and now I'm going to unbox this. I will not only unbox, but I will set up this in front of you, because from this box I have already set up one lighting here, and I faced a lot of problems to set up that softbox. I know maybe you are more interested to know how to set up that crazy setup box where everyone faced problems. In my case, when I received that, I thought, no, it is very low quality. I think I ordered something else and I got something else, and I was nearly going to return that. And I called that seller and he said, sir, आप एक बार एक लगा के देखो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ट्राई करो, और फिर आपको वीडियो में क्वालिटी खराब लगा तो मुझे दे दो, मैं रिटर्न ले लूंगा. Then I decided, okay, let's try, let's set it up. And once I set up, guys, I just started one lighting, and you can see the quality of the video is already improved. But now we have one more box here, which is I'm going to open for all of you guys, okay? And I'm going to show you what is it inside. So let's go ahead, let's start. Till the time, let's throw this box, okay? Work on this box. So let's start the unboxing. By the way, I forgot to tell you that you will also receive this two strong stands, and I will put the link in the description or below to this video for the complete setup which you can buy. And I have purchased this around 14,000 rupees, okay? With the 3 light setup. On the box, you can see there are 5 bulbs. That 5 bulb setup is around 18,000 rupees right now. But I think for making videos, if you are making video on a mobile or maybe on a camera, 3 bulb light is enough. Otherwise, that harsh light will affect your eyes. So let's unbox this stuff and let me show you what is inside. Okay, this is the stuff where we need it at the end. Okay, and this is a softbox cover. These are the forks where we have to connect. This is a long wire. I am really in love with this wire, because before I had a light and the wire always used to like this and used to get disconnected even while making video. But this time, let me open this. It's super long wire. Oh my god, guys, if you have faced any problem to connect this wire with a short wire, you will enjoy this. You will get 3 bulbs as I told you. So these are the powerful separate, oh my god, video light bulbs, okay? And the main thing is this, where you have to connect the bulbs, right? And you will get one ring to put inside the softbox to connect. So first, there is a lock, okay? You can see this. Now it's locked. You have to open the lock and move this and open, and you will see the bulbs inside it, okay? So here you have to connect the bulbs. This is only for the safety, no use of it. So throw it like this in the box. Now I will tell you step by step how to connect this. So let's clean the stuff like this. Let me show you. First thing, you have to take this out. Step number 1. Step number 2 is take this black and silver softbox. You know, starting when I received, I said, अरे यार कितना छोटा है ये ये मेरा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे. But as per the 3 bulbs, what I got to know that if you have bigger softbox for 3 bulbs, then it will not give proper lightings. That's why don't worry. If you want the bigger, like 80 centimeter softbox, then you need higher qualities of bulbs, more powerful bulbs and more bulbs. That's why don't worry, this will work fine. I think it is 40 centimeter. Okay, so first thing what you have to do is you have to put this ring in this like this. And guys, I hope you can see this 2 holes are here, right? 1, 2. Can you see this? So you have to put this holder, this bulb holder, into this, press and move. That's how it will stick into it. And when I received it, I was struggling to set up this. Now I will do it very fast let's see if I can do it. I have to fix this stuff like this. I can see properly, and I will push this down, okay, and I will move it. Done. Tuck, tuck. Okay, now it will not fall down, guys. Can you see this? Now next step is very easy. You have to insert all these 4 forks into this, and let me show you what you have to do. So first thing is, while you're inserting these forks, okay, fork is like an arrow. So this stuff should be on a top, on a surface, and first you have to insert this, not this one. Okay, let me do it. There is one small dot here, and there should be one tuck kind of noise, tuck, right? And then you have to take this. Give me a second. Tuck, and by the way, it is not going to be, ये फटेगा नहीं, ठीक है? तो टेंशन मत लो. तो इसको सेटअप ऐसा कर देना. वन साइड का हो गया. Then look at this. First insert here and then here. ये पहला हो गया. अभी इसके अपोजिट वाला करना है, यहाँ का नहीं, ठीक है? So let me put this first. Insert this. Yes, done. Wow. Now the third one. Done. Cut. Can you hear that? Tiri. Move. बाय द वे ये मैं ऊपर रख के कर रहा हूँ, है ना? आप नीचे रख के करोगे ना तो एकदम इजी जाएगा ये. जस्ट टू शो यू, आई एम ऑन दिस चेयर एंड टेबल, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट. बट नाउ लेट मी डू दिस. आपको यहाँ पे डालना है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे खट आवाज आएगा, एक छोटा सा, 1 मिनट. ऐसे, ठीक है? फिर इसको आगे लेके उठा के ऐसे अंदर डाल देने का. डन. सो ये हो गया तुम्हारा सॉफ्ट बॉक्स रेडी गाइस, ठीक है? तो हमको अभी इसके अंदर बल्ब लगाने का है. वाह. बल्ब नंबर 1. और बल्ब लगाने के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखना है. सबसे पहले मुझे तीनों बल्ब निकाल के रखता हूँ मैं, और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, ठीक है? वो जो सेलर ने मुझे बताया कि आपको ऐसा करना है. एक्चुअली हम लोग बाकी सब चीज़ें देख लेते हैं, बट बल्ब के मामले में हम लोग डायरेक्ट लेके फटाफट लगाने को चालू कर देते हैं. बट वहाँ पे गलती हो सकता है. यू कैन मेक अ बिग मिस्टेक, ठीक है? सो नाउ लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. द मिस्टेक यू हैव टू अवॉइड इज, हम लोग ना डायरेक्ट एक बल्ब लेके फटाफट पूरा फिट टाइट कर लेते हैं. वैसा नहीं करना है आपको. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस सिंपल. जस्ट थोड़ा सा घुमा के रखो एंड फिक्स ऑल द बल्ब्स. रीजन व्हाई, आई होप यू स्टार्टेड ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई. रीजन इज देयर इज नो स्पेस फॉर ऑल द बल्ब्स. सो आप पूरा अंदर फिक्स कर दोगे तो बाकी बाजू वाले 2 बल्ब नहीं लगेंगे प्रॉपरली. तो पहले तीनों बल्ब थोड़ा थोड़ा घुमा के फिक्स कर लो एंड देन स्टार्ट मूविंग देम. Okay, and also keep in mind, ज़्यादा भी टाइट नहीं करना है आपको. Don't tight it crazily, just little bit. Okay, you can see third one is getting so hard to fix up. Oh. Okay, done. So the last thing, the diffuser, right? पता नहीं नाम आ गया मेरे को इसका. So this is a filter kind of thing where it will give a white light, fresh white light. तो ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे इसके नीचे वेलक्रो है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे इधर वेलक्रो लगा हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे आपको चिपका देना है, बस खत्म. ये इधर लगा दो, ऐसा इसकी जगह है, अटका देना है इसको, ठीक है? एंड थर्ड वन एंड द लास्ट. Okay, let me fix up the velcros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So guys, your light, your softbox is 100% ready now. So now next thing is take your stand, open it, ये बस सेफ्टी के लिए होता है, ठीक है? इसको नीचे कर दें. By the way, if you buy other these kind of stands separately, they're very cheap quality stands which I have, but this one is very strong, firm and strong, which I really love. And now let me explain you about this as well, the holder. Okay, this, can you see this holder, this what you can say, ये जो दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये है to rotate. Means the feature of this holder and the light is it rotates 210 degrees. 210 degree it can rotate like this to this much, right? So that's why we use it. So let's fix this. आपको ये थोड़ा सा ढीला करना है यहाँ का, so that you can insert this. By the way, there are 3 bulbs. 1, right? 1, 2 and 3. So let's fix this. तो इसको अभी आपको टाइट कर देना है, ठीक है? फिर ये बल्ब टाइट हो जाएगा. डन. ये हो गया टाइट. दिख रहा था ना जरा जी? ये गया टाइट, ठीक है? Now you can lose this and move it and fix it. हाँ? ये चिपक गया भाई. तेरा काम हो गया अभी, ठीक है? इसको निकाल दो. So guys, our soft box is 100% ready to rock. Okay? So now I'm going to plug this. For that you need this long wire, and let's connect this wire here like this. Done. All 3 buttons are on. Let me connect this light. I will connect this light for all of you guys. Let's see. Yes, look at this. So these are the bulbs. Bulb number 1, 2 and 3. And the main thing is, if you plug this kind of bulbs without this diffuser, your eyes will go on. But this is giving amazing clarity, and I'm also not feeling that artificial harsh lightings. Still, it's kind of a natural light. That's why I really enjoy it. So let me plug this on my right side. One is on the left side. So our video quality will be better than before. By the way, there is one light and there is another light which I have plugged normal bulb. Now I will replace that to this one. So I have connected this light. You can see. I hope you can see the better quality of video because of these 2 lightings. I hope guys this video helped you to set up this Simpex lighting. If you like this, please like the button right now and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you're watching this video into my video making mastery program, how to set up the lighting, then amazing. Please go ahead, buy these lightings and set up your small studio where you can have better quality videos to help other people. And if you're a person who have not yet joined my video making mastery program, where I help you to speak effectively in front of camera, naturally, and share your knowledge, value, whatever you have, and impact in others' life, also build a business, authority, and influence. There will be another link for that. If you want to join my upcoming workshop, which I do, there is 3 hours of live workshop, but you will get more details if you click the link from my description. So I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can learn more from this, and click on that bell icon. The reason is my notifications will not disturb you, but they will give you value. That's my promise. See you in the next video. Bye bye.